Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this short video, this video is all about how you can restart your system in an emergency. If your system is stuck and you are not able to click anywhere on the system, how to troubleshoot this issue, okay? So in this case, you can restart your system, but make sure your data will be lost. If you are working in some project and all, if unsafe data, there is unsafe data, the data will be lost. So make sure you perform this step on your risk. If you don't have any data and don't working any project, so you can directly perform this step. What you need to do is you need to press Control Alt Delete button together. Control Alt Delete button together, and after that you will see the power option. And once you see the power option, you can restart your system after that. And you can restart your system once the but you need to press Control or Delete button together and then go to power icon and simply restart your system. Another thing you can do is you can press and hold the power key for almost 10 to 15 seconds. Just push it, and you need to press it for almost 10 to 15 seconds to shut down it properly and then restart it. So this is how you can troubleshoot the issue if your system is stuck. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.